Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Amazon shopping application. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone. It could be an Android or your iPhone. Now, navigate to your Play Store on your mobile phone. So, go to the search bar on your home page if you have an Android and search for Play Store. If you have an Apple phone, you'll have to search for App Store. Now, open the Play Store or App Store on your mobile phone and click on the search icon at the bottom. Now, go to the search app and games section and type in Amazon on this page. After you type in Amazon, it is going to show you some search results. Here, click on the one that says Amazon and you will see an install button appearing. So on this page, you'll be able to see Amazon's review, the file size of this application and the downloads it would have. You can navigate to about this app and see all the information related to this application. You can rate this application whether you like it or not by giving it stars ranging from 1 to 5. You can scroll down and see the comments and reviews for this application. Now, in order to download Amazon shopping app, click on the install button just right here. After you click on install, you will have to just wait and Amazon will be automatically installed on your mobile phone. That is, it will be downloaded onto your mobile phone. Now, after the application gets downloaded, you will have to simply click on the open button just right here. Click on this open button and Amazon application will be automatically installed and opened up on your screen. Now, allow notifications for this app, choose your language and click on this small icon that is person. Now, click on create account if you are new to Amazon and provide a mobile number or email, follow the instructions, click on continue, complete the sign up process and create an account. If you already have an account, click on sign in, enter the credentials, log in and after that, you'll be successfully able to buy any products you want from Amazon shopping application. Now, if you want to learn more how-tos related to Amazon shopping application, just go to our channel, search for Amazon and you'll see all the videos related to Amazon.com. You can watch them and get more experienced with shopping on Amazon.com. So that's how you download Amazon shopping application. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.